Okay. So yeah. So can you see my screen?
Yes, yeah.
So this is the rock, paper, scissors project. It's basically a bot. So you play against the bot and you play just normal rock, paper, scissors. So see, it asks you rock, paper, scissors. I do rock. And then it tells you who wins. So yeah, it's just a fun game we made using the while loop and the if statements and also elif. So yeah. So yeah. And then there's this shopping app. Basically, we just made this simple program to allow us to simulate the shopping experience. So welcome to my store. You can shop for groceries, stationery, and also electronics. You type which section you want. So for example, I want electronics. So I'll type in EL. Yeah, E. So, and then it tells you what the store has. So we have tablet and mobile. So what do you want?
Mobiles.
Mobiles. So I'll put in mobiles.
Okay.
And how many do you want?
One.
One? Only one? Okay. And then that's your cost. So here we use the same thing, if statements, elif. Yeah, it was kind of lengthy, but it was very fun. So you can see here.
Any option to get the cheapest mobile? Any
No,
input?
we don't do discounts as of now. Yeah. And then the last project, it's still loading. Calorie counter to count how many calories you eat.
Okay.
So,
Sounds good. Tell me.
yeah, basically it tells you what foods we have. So how many eggs do you want? Zero. Glasses of milk? Two. Pancakes?
Zero.
Zero. Why? Bacon? Zero. Right. Bananas? Four. And then it tells you how many carbs, calcium, protein, vitamins, and minerals.
That's why I opt out for pancake, right? No.
Yeah.
Good thing.
No calories. That's true.
Yeah. So that's it. That's it. Yeah.
Okay. Ipsita, I want you to explain arrays over here because arrays is a concept that you learned, isn't it? When you're doing your calorie counter.
Yeah. So arrays. Wait, I'll share my screen again.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. So
Khyati,
arrays.
what do you think about the projects Ipsita has done? Interesting? Yes? You're on mute, dear.
Oh, yeah, I think they're cool.
Good.
They're
Okay.
nice.
And Azai, what do you think? What do you think about the projects Ipsita has made?
I like them.
Like them? Perfect. Good. Okay. Great. All right. Yeah. Go ahead, Ipsita. Show arrays and what do... Yeah.
So basically arrays, like each of these items, we basically stored multiple values in one set. That's what an array is, right? So for egg, we're doing it in this order. Egg has 1.2, calories. 1.2 carbohydrates, 2.3 calcium, basically based on what it has. And we store all of these multiple values in there. And then at the end, we just use the quantity and multiply it with each of them individually to add them to get a cumulative total. And this way we can, simplify things and store it in one place instead of making multiple. Like, for example, egg carbohydrates, egg calcium. It's all in one. And we can utilize that the way we want it to get the same result.
I have a question. Yeah. Is this a calorie counter or it is telling how much calcium, how much protein?
Yeah, nutrients. Yeah. Basically a nutrient. Yeah.
Calorie is like energy, right?
Yeah.
So what I
Right.
can
Yeah.
At the end output is how much vitamin the food whatever we have consumed.
It's a fitness counter.
Immediately you changed the objective. Okay. Nutrient counter.
Yeah.
Yeah, nutrient. Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. Ma'am, any feedback? Yeah, Ipsita, you can come back. Stop sharing. Any feedback from you, ma'am, on... so there are two things that I want Ipsita to rate as well as a parent. So Ipsita, how do you rate the program? The Python program, did you have fun? Did you learn new things? Because Ipsita has learned Scratch as well with me before doing Python. So compared to Scratch, out of 5, how much do you rate the program?
5. Definitely very
5 on
fun.
5?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am, how about you? Do you has the service from 98th percentile everything been good for you? How was the experience overall?
For coding class, it's fine. Like for you, when your class is there, she's satisfied. But with the substitute, frankly speaking, she was never happy.
Okay.
He told, I cannot
Okay.
understand what he taught. But with you, she was fine. She was able to understand.
Right, ma'am.
Hmm.
Okay. So Ipshita, rate your teacher 5.
6.
Ah, so sweet. Okay. All right. Any feedback, ma'am, overall, how the journey has been with coding? Any
No,
takeaways?
that is fine. Actually, she got at least an idea what coding is exactly because she was not getting any exposure before related to computer programming and everything. So I'm happy at least if she cannot write long programs also, at least she has an idea what exactly is input, what
Right.
exactly, right? Basics of programming, at least she has taken a glimpse of that. Sometimes she takes help of his father also, her father.
Right. Yeah.
So I think she is on good way. I think if she will work hard, definitely she will be up to something.
Right. Ma'am, my rating for Ipshita is definitely a 5 on 5.
Mhm.